Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all in today's social science online class. I hope all of you are well, enjoying and taking care of yourself. Dear students, in our previous class, we have started the fifth chapter, that is the early man. We have read that early man did not know about time, birthdays, holidays, days, weeks, even years. But he kept a track of the seasons. At starting, he was a food gatherer. He ate flesh of animals, fruits, nuts, leaves, and roots of plants. He used stones for hunting. His most useful tool was spear. Then he discovered fire and started to enjoy cooked food. Then he became food producer and started to lead a settled life close to the land. Now let's continue our rest of the chapter. So students, the early man started to live close to rivers also because rivers fulfilled his requirements. Requirement means needs. Requirements, needs of waters. He used water for drinking, irrigation. Irrigation means watering of land to make it ready for agriculture. And transportation. Transportation means the movement of humans, animals, and goods from one location to another. At beginning, he lived in the caves. But now he started to live in thatched huts. Thatched huts means huts having a roof made of dried grass. As you have read in second class, Kacha house. Do you know students, the early man was scared. Scared means frightened. He was scared of natural phenomena. Natural phenomena means that are occurred by the God's side. For example, wind, sun, rain, thunder, etc. He was afraid of all these things. So he started to worship these all. Dear students, now the farming and settled life changed the types of work of early man because he became a food producer. Now he sowed the seeds, means he planted the seeds in the ground. Then he watered the plants and waited for the grains to ripe. After that, he cut the crops and stored the grains for eating. Early men followed the other activities like he started to make better tools. He started to make baskets of reed. Reed is a type of grass. He started to make clay pots. Clay pots for storing and cooking the foods. Dear students, do you know man is very intelligent and he used his intelligence to find out many new things so that he could live a comfortable life. And these changes have improved the life of human beings all over the world. Means human beings started to live better life. There are many jobs that people still do that were done by the early man. And in the next chapter, that is 6th chapter, we will find out different types of works that are people done inside and outside the home. And we will read how people learned various crafts, jobs, occupations. So students, it was the chapter The Early Man. Now we will do part A, B, C of the back exercises. You will do it in your social science book. So part A is tick the correct option. And the first one is, the biggest discovery of early man was, as all of you know, fire. So you have to tick on the fire. And the second, the life of early man changed when he started growing. What did they grow? They started growing grains. Yes, grains. You have to tick on C, grains. And the third is, the early settlements were made close to rivers. And the fourth is, what did early men start making after settled life began? They started to make baskets and pots. So tick on the C, baskets and pots. Come to the B part, fill in the blanks. First one is, early man did not have any idea about time. They did not have any idea about time. So you have to write time. Number 2, the ancient man ate his food raw before the discovery of fire. Before the discovery of fire, early man ate raw food. And after the discovery of fire, he started to eat cooked food. So the answer is fire. Third is, early man used stones for hunting, fishing and digging. What did he use? He used stones. Answer is stones. Number 4, the farming and settled life changed the type of occupations. Answer is settled life. Number 5 is, the hunter and food gatherer became a, क्या बन गया था वो? What did he become? The hunter and food gatherer became a food producer. Now come to the part C, that is match the following. So the discovery of fire is matching with cooked food. So you have to write number 1 to cooked food. Number 2 is caves. Caves. Who lived in the caves? Early man. So you have to match the caves with early man. Write number 2 to early man. Number 3 is settled life. Settled life. What did he start to do after settled life? He started to produce the food. So you have to match settled life with food producer. And write number 3 at food producer. And the number 4 is early settlements. Early settlements were close to the rivers. And the last is, most useful tool was of early man. Early man's most useful tool was spear. Yes, spear. So you have to write number 5 to sphere. So dear students, do this part ABC in your social science book. I hope you have got the chapter Early Man. In next class, we will do part D, question answers. Answer the following questions. So you have to do this chapter. You have to read this chapter carefully and try to solve the part D. Okay? Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care, students. Okay, bye bye.